Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've got a very exciting brand new subscription that's only just launched to share with you, and it is by Lush. This is how it arrives and it smells absolutely gorgeous. But before I tell you all about it, I'll just show you what the insides look like. A really funky packaging. This is their May box. These are all the items inside the box. I will go into more detail, but I just wanted to give you a little sneak peek. Oh, it's just gorgeous. I am super excited. And my daughter doesn't even know yet, and she's a huge Lush fan. So yeah, I'll just give you a sneak peek on what's inside. So the Lush Kitchen subscription box is available worldwide. The box costs £35 a month and shipping within the UK is £3.95, and shipping to the rest of the world is calculated at checkout. Now inside you get between 4 to 5 products. Contents are based on subscriber vote from a monthly menu, plus they add in 1 or 2 surprise goodies in there as well. Subscribers have until the 10th of the month to vote on the products they'd like to see in the box, plus all subscriptions for that month will be closed on the 10th. If you decide to subscribe now until the 10th, you'll receive a June box, otherwise you'll receive next month's box. Payment is taken out on the 11th of the month and the boxes are shipped out on the last day of the month. And all contents in the boxes are cruelty free and vegan. Now Lush Kitchen closed their doors to the original format in 2017, so they've come back with something completely different in mind, but it is super exciting. You are still able to buy exclusive products, but instead of having a weekly menu, you'll be able to choose from exclusives that will be on the website for a lot longer and made in larger batches too. So I only found out about this a couple of weeks ago, and even though I don't live near a Lush, I absolutely adore Lush, and I do order sometimes online as well. So I was really excited to try this subscription box. Now you've got the option to cancel anytime as long as you do it before your next payment is due, or you can opt for like every other month. All details and everything related to the subscription are popped down below, so underneath this video, see show more. If you click that, that'll bring up the description and everything would be listed down there. So I think that's it. If I've missed anything out, I will pop it down below. But yeah, let's get on to showing you what I got inside. So you've got a little leaflet here and it says enjoy your Lush products. All products with packaging have the ingredients printed on the labels. On the next page you'll find the ingredients used in any naked products that you've ordered. We list our ingredients quantitatively in English as well as Latin. The natural ingredients are listed in green and safe synthetics are in black. But this is the little card. So these are the items that the subscribers voted for. Now I was too late for this, so I didn't get a chance in voting because it closed for the time I realised. So it looks like I haven't been given any extra goodies, any extra freebies, because these were all the items that were chosen by the subscribers, but there's nothing extra in the box at all, which is a bit odd, isn't it? Considering that it does claim on their website that they will add 1 or 2 extra freebies in there. How strange, but I've tipped everything out on the floor and there is nothing in there. I thought it might be like a tiny little sample or something, but no, there's nothing. Never mind. Go on to the first item, and this is a Supertramp shower gel. Lovely big size, 250 mils. This is made by John on the 18th of May. I love all these little stickers. See it all personalised there. And it tells you the use by date, so I've got until July next year to use it. A grounding cascade of earthly patchouli for a superb scented shower, lather all over wet skin and rinse thoroughly. Supertramp sandalwood is produced in New Caledonia from sustainably managed wild harvested trees. Not only for fragrance, patchouli oil is also used to keep the skin clean and soothed. Made from 100% recycled plastic, recycle the top in your local Lush shop. Wow. Wow. I'm going to put a little bit on my hand because I'm aware, because I'm conscious every time I do sniffs like this, I end up getting it all up my nose. Look at that colour. A nice green colour. Oh, that's lovely. That is really nice. I always go for fruity when it comes to, sometimes floral, but usually when it comes to shower gels, that's what I opt for. If I'm in a shop, it's like, oh yeah, nice fruity one. But something like this is really sensual. It's really gorgeous. It reminds me of being in a forest. So that's the first item in the box. It's a Supertramp shower gel. Next we've got Moon on a Stick. This is a bath bomb. Look. That is so cool, isn't it? Might say a little bit on the back here. The main scented ingredients is jasmine absolute, neroli oil, ylang ylang oil, and then it goes on to cream of tartar, water, etc. That smells lovely. That sounds really lovely. Tried looking online for more information about this, but I couldn't see anything, which is frustrating because I want to know what it does. I want to save it for when I have my next like luxurious bath time treat. Hope you can understand. I might show it on Instagram. So if you're interested, I will show it on Instagram though. I will. I'll definitely show it on Instagram. I'll do a little story and I'll say this is the moon on the stick that I received in the Lush subscription box and this is what it looks like, and I'll do a little video that way. But that is gorgeous. That is really, really lovely. But yeah, so we got a moon on the stick bath bomb. Next we got a shower gel, and this is Abominable. These are super, super cool. Really, really lovely. They are just so funny. I'll open it up and show you. It's just jelly. It's just jelly. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. It smells just like Murray mints. Or buttermints. Are Murray mints buttermints? I don't know. I think going to bed after having a shower with this, my husband will want to eat me. It's not a bad thing, but... Oh my god. Look at that. That is gorgeous, isn't it? It's cool. I got to be careful with my nails. But yeah, it's a lovely, lovely jelly. You only need a tiny bit. You just massage it into your body and then you rinse off. It is lovely. I've had one of these before. Oh, it's so satisfying. I really want to put my finger right in there, but I know I'm gonna get it all stuck in my nails. So what can I tell you about it then? Simply wobble and lather, or chill if you'd rather. Enjoy this jelly straight from the fridge or freezer for cool cleanses. The vanilla inside is sourced from Madagascar, where the government has put practices in place ensuring quantity and to reduce illegal smuggling. Yeah, fresh mint infusion, fresh orange peel infusion, carrageenan extract, peppermint oil, on orange, vanilla, and again this is made by John on the 20th of May. I love that. Next we got a 29 High Street Fun Bar. Now this is like a multi-purpose bar. I've had one of these before and yeah, it's just really cool. It's just like modelling clay. So you can like squish it, you can make things with it. So good for kids in the bath. It's a really, really good thing for kids to play with. You can take little bits off at a time and use to cleanse your body, or you can put a little bit in your bath water underneath the tap and you'll get bubbles from it. But they are a bit of a mess if you just leave it in the packaging here. So if you were to ever buy one of these or get one of these, if you subscribe to the subscription box, then I'd find like a container to put it in, because as soon as you start using it, you know, you're pulling it around with wet fingers and everything, it does get really messy. But yeah, what's it say here? To keep things fresh, store your fun in this handy wrapper and keep it somewhere cool and dry. And it's got jasmine, lemon, lime, ylang ylang, sandalwood. There are lots of ingredients I don't know. Nice and squidgy. It is really lovely. It's just like Play-Doh. I was expecting it to smell similar to the shower jelly, but it doesn't. It smells like bubblegum. The intriguing scents of our original shopping pool: embodied jasmine flower infusion, warming sandalwood oil and brightening citrus oils. And this is made by Jolita on the 19th of May. And again, I got about a year to use it. So we've got a fun bar. And lastly, we've got another shower gel, and this is a Sonic Death Monkey coffee and cocoa powder embrace, and it's 100 mils here. And this is made by Maria on the 18th of May, and again got another year to use it. So it says, for a superbly scented shower, lather all over wet skin and rinse thoroughly. Cocoa is from the peace community of San Jose de Apartado, a Colombian fair trade organisation committed to non-violence against armed conflicts. Awakening the senses, coffee infusion also stimulates the circulation, which makes it a good tonic for the skin. Let's try a bit on this hand then. There's no point me sniffing it because I just know it goes just straight to my hand. Oh, that just looks like coffee. Look, a latte. Oh my god, I can smell there's orange in there, but oh, it smells like it could be an amazing, like, sort of alcoholic drink, like a flavoured gin. Oh, I just love Lush. I just love Lush. That is so, so nice. So I'm not sure if I said, but there's 100 mils there. So those are all the items inside Lush Kitchen's very, very first subscription box. So I'm just going to gather them all up. We got a Death Monkey Valley shower gel. We got a Abominable shower jelly. We got a Supertramp large shower gel, we've got a Fun Bar, and we've got a Moon on a Stick bath bomb. I'm really impressed with these items, really, really happy with them. There's nothing here that I don't like, and there's nothing here that I'm not going to be using and passing on. Is it worth the money? £35 and then £3.95 on top. I can't give you the prices of these items. I don't think it's a subscription where you're going to get items that are way above the cost of the box. I think the value is going to be thereabouts the cost of the box. It would have been nice to have a few extra goodies in there, even if they were like little samples, you know, like a little chunk of one of these Fun Bars, you know, just something there as added extras, because that's what it said on their website. So I'm a little bit disappointed that there wasn't in this box. It's a little bit pricey for me to keep going every single month. I'm going to dip into it now and again, maybe every other month, or like special occasions. Like I've got lots of birthdays coming up, I've got my own, my kids, all throughout the summer. So yeah, I think for me it's a dip in and out sort of subscription, and I do like the flexibility that you are able to cancel any time. But yeah, as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. Did you know about this subscription? Did you subscribe to it yourself? What do you think of the products that you received this morning, or unless you haven't had them yet? Or is this the very first time that you found out that Lush are doing a subscription box? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.